Hello children, today our grade 6 geography lesson is good maintenance of the immediate surrounding of your home. Today we discuss about the last part of this lesson, disposal of waste material. First we have to know what are the waste materials. Simply we can call it unwanted or unusable materials. Any materials unused and rejected as worthless or unwanted also we known as garbage. Many things are disposed from our homes as well as from our immediate surrounding. These waste materials can be grouped as domestic, agricultural and industrial according to their origin. So we have to know what are the domestic waste. The different household waste which are collected during household activities like cooking, cleaning are known as domestic waste, such as dry leaves, vegetable peels, kitchen waste, polythene and plastic bag. Then we have to know what are the agricultural waste. Various waste produced in the agricultural field are known as agricultural waste. Example, cattle waste, wheat, husk, hay, polythene bags and plastic bottles. Then we have to know what are the industrial waste. These are the waste created in factories and industries, such as plastic, glass, electronic items, scrap metals, chemicals. Then these are some pictures of that about type of waste materials. First you can see these are the domestic waste, vegetable peels and kitchen waste, and empty plastic bottles and empty glass bottles. These are the waste of agricultural, hay and the empty agrochemical bottles. And these are the waste of industrial waste, scrap metals and output waste of factories and industries. Then we have to know what are the problems of waste disposal. The disposal of waste material has become a problem in the urban environment due to overpopulation and limited space. The improper disposal of waste material causes pollution of air, water and land in the immediate surrounding of your home. Therefore, we have to pay attention to prevent the damage that occur with these activities. For this, we have to know how to proper disposal of waste materials. First one, reuse. Reusing the items that can be used again and again. Example, textbooks, packing box, glass bottles. Recycling. Recycling the non-degradable materials like polythene and plastic. It is an extra income can be earned by collecting, sorting and handing them over to recycling center or collecting center, and recycled materials are used to produce new products. Reducing. Minimizing the use of non-degradable items. Example, polythene, packing and plastic items. We can make in different items using discarded waste materials. By coconut shell, we can make spoon and curos. By electric bulbs, we can make lamps. By piece of cloths, we can make doormats and cushion covers. Preparation of biogas unit, compost pit using kitchen waste, agro waste and dried leaves. Reduction of food waste by preparing the food in sufficient quantity and to cater to the appetites. It also helps to maintain the family budget in a better way. So, next we have to know what are the waste management process. Waste management process is the action and activities that are taken to manage the waste. In this process, name for the sorting, collection, transportation, disposal, or recycling and monitoring of waste. You can sort your waste into few different bins. Already we use those kind of bins. By green bins for the degradable waste, for the orange color bins for the polythene and plastic, for the green color bins for the paper waste. By following above procedures, you can manage your waste. Okay, children, now we are reaching the end of this lesson. These are some activities taken from your textbook. I hope you all understand the lesson. We will meet another lesson. Thank you.